Yeah, we cooking hot sausage today. We'll start with a chub of Kroger hot sausage. You'll need some sharp scissors to cut off this metal clip on the end here. Be careful, cooks, it can be a little tough to pull off. But as you can see, doing it this way allows you to squeeze out a controlled amount at a time. Squeeze out about a little meatball sized amount, roll it into a ball, and smack it flat. They're quick and easy to do. Let's do another one. You can even round out the edges for a perfect round. I'll do this 4 times as we're just making breakfast for the 2 of us, so we won't make the whole roll. You can tighten this and keep it in an airtight labeled sandwich bag to keep fresh to use on a later date. Grab your spatula, give them a flip as we want to cook them evenly on both sides. Also, cooks, you can use your spatula to press down gently to spread them out evenly to ensure even cook through. We'll flip them 1 or 2 times, and then to finalize them, we'll do something special to give them a sticky crust, but again, this is optional. We're going to add just a little bit of unsalted butter. You don't need much, less than a half tablespoon. Let's get that melted, and we're going to coat both sides of the sausage with it, and this will give it a nice buttery crisp crust and crunch. They're almost done. Right before serving, I like to steam them. We have just about a tablespoon of water, so let's get our lid ready. We'll pour that all around and put our lid on and turn our heat down and give them a shake. They've simmered for a minute. We'll flip them, smash them, and then let's take a look at one. See, they have the perfect crust on them. Make sure you have a bowl ready lined with a piece of paper towel for the grease to drain off and then serve.
And even though they're not homemade, they're still super tasty, especially with that touch of steamed butter at the end. One of many meat choices to complete a balanced breakfast. For more breakfast ideas, check out our channel. Breakfast playlist should get you started on the right foot, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more food ideas. As always, thanks for cooking with B&T.